Hormaz, you kick it off first. Finally, a close above 26,000.
Oh, finally. And yes, it was a sleepy, snoozy sort of a day. Suddenly, in the last 30 minutes, we all came back to life, seeing the Nifty cross 26,000. Again, plenty of stock-specific activity. Can't not talk of Easy Trip. The stock, the block deal that happened, much more than what was anticipated. 16% lower as a result of that. The biggest single-day drop in 2 years. Can't not talk about IEX either. Battered yesterday, battered today as well. Another 4% down. Mind you, the stock is in the F&O ban, so no new positions here, but more unwinding taking place. So another 4% cut in today's session. Brokerages warning of earnings downgrade. On the flip side, power stocks did very well, barring IEX. Of course, our Power Grid was the top gainer on the index today after the new revamped national electricity plan, almost 9 lakh crore rupees there. UBS, you just mentioned about dabur, the downgrade that came in from UBS. It was the top loser on the FMCG index, and barring ITC, it took along with it all the other FMCG stocks as well. Piramal Pharma was the other one. Optimistic commentary coming in from the management on the $2 billion company target and on the margins as well. Shows up in the stock price. Off the highs of the day, still 4% higher. Zee Entertainment was the reason why the media index was up 3% in today's session. A content deal with Mukta Arts, a subsidiary is planning on raising funds, so positive triggers there, 6% higher for Zee Entertainment. The stimulus in China has sparked some hope in metal stocks and has sparked some hope in HEG as well. Second straight day of gains today, 5.5% higher on the stock. Not so good going for Fusion Finance. Another day of losses today. The stock is now down 33% from its IPO price of 368 rupees. Profit booking also continuing in PB Fintech, and last week the stock had almost doubled from its IPO price, but now has cooled off almost 11% from those levels. Another 6.5% shaved off today. And lastly, a surge seen in Saregama. That stock was the top volume-led gainer in today's session, 16% higher on the stock, and the top gainer on the Nifty 500 as well. Back to you.
All right, Hormaz, thank you very much for that. Let's bring in our guest, Mayur.